Hey everyone, this is Brian from Vance Hines, and today we're in our dyno installing the all-new FP4 because we've installed some VO2 air cleaner products on this bike as well as some slip-on mufflers, and we need to tune the motorcycle for peak performance. On top of that, we're going to go through the app, navigate with you, and show you all the features and benefits available for the FP4. With the saddlebag removed, we'll go ahead and pull the side cover off, locate the data port, this red connector, and we'll plug in the FP4. First step is to download the Fp4 app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Turn the bike to accessory mode and open the app. From there, press the Fuelpak button. It's already found it, 611434. So once you're in the main menu, in order to download that first map, go ahead and select Map Lookup. You'll have a list of pull-down menus. So exhaust manufacturer in this case is Vance Hines. We are running the Eliminator 400s slip-ons with a standard baffle on the stock 107, and press flash, hit continue, and that'll flash the dyno tune map that we created, stored on our server, into the bike. Once it's done, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. So turn off the bike. On Android, you'll have to wait 15 seconds. On iOS, it is 30 seconds. When prompted, turn the bike back on. And that's it. We've just flashed the bike with the FP4. So from here, if you wanted to go to maintenance mode, you can read and clear the trouble codes that we just created from the flashing process. So here's our trouble codes. Go ahead and select clear. And all the codes are gone. Back out. If you went into service intervals, if you do a service, change your tires, you can modify that as well. So you can change the text, say tires. You can change the odometer entry, reset. So now it's available. You'll also notice in the Fp4 app, we have a navigation bar at the bottom. So if you press sensor, it'll take you to live data. So here we have it configured for RPM. Let's get rid of fuel mileage. You can scroll around the wheel to whatever you want. Typically what I'll do is RPM and speed. So if we go to RPM and mile per hour, press that. And then of course you have 4 configurable gauges down here. So we've already got speed set up. Maybe we do engine temp, throttle position sensor, swap this guy out for map KPA, and then O2 sensor voltage. Then when we run the bike, we can take a look at all the live data that's being created and adjust and make fueling changes as necessary. And then we have a full support menu. Support menu will have firmware updates, instructional videos, so you can always come in here. If you go back, you can upload the ECU contents to our support team, download maps from our support team. If you want to contact us, you can go ahead and upload the contents. If you have already, you can choose to call or email us. And there's a whole host of different support features that we offer within the app as well. Thanks for joining me here in the dyno to go over the Vance Hines FP4. If you want more information regarding the FP4 or other Vance Hines products, please visit vancehines.com.